Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
It's a very happy occasion that again I am as a leader of the force. I'm well aware about the situations, problems of our state. Few priorities I will keep. Tourist safety will be the highest priority. Narcotics activities will be another priority. Traffic smoothness will be ensured on the road. There are the problems of the parking in some of the towns, that we will ensure that some green corridors, certain things we will promote where environment should also be protected. म्हाका बरें दिसता आनी जे कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा ते स्लोली आमची फोर्स गोंयची फोर्स ते आमी सॉल्व करता.